Howdy folks, welcome to Plumbing with Tim. Today we are on location in beautiful downtown Melbourne, Florida. About a year ago I put out a video on why you should own a water meter wrench, and I had somebody comment recently asking if I could show how to use a water meter wrench and where to use it. So this is going to be a quick one. Let's check it out. Let's go ahead and pull our water meter wrench out. There we go. Our water meter wrench. You can see it's got a slotted end on it right there. I'm going to show you how to use this and where to use this at. Here in downtown Melbourne, there's a lot of little novelty shops and everything like that. And today we are at a little plaza, and we're at a barber shop where they say have a high water bill. Take a look there. See that? I got 4 water meter boxes. Okay, this is where the location is needed to use that water meter wrench. Like you've heard me say before, don't just go running in and open up a meter box. There could be critters inside of there and everything. Always make sure to bang that top lid before you decide to jump in there. Nice and easy. It could have bees in there or snakes. Here's the water meter. Let's take the cover off. Look closely, I've got a horseshoe slotted end on my water meter key. This is the end that you need to use to cut the water off to the property from the water meter from the city. Water meter. And there's the slot right there. Slot to slot. Let me show you how it's done. Right there. So I'm turning that till the holes line up. That means the water's off. Simple, quick, effective. It's always good to know these little things. And if you can't find a meter box, sometimes they haven't been used in a long time and they might be buried under grass and stuff. You might need to get some sort of a probe to probe around. But remember, when you open these boxes up, be prepared for possible critters like bees' nests, snakes, whatever like that. So be mindful before you rush in and just open up the meter box. That's all the time I got for this one. Thanks so much for hanging out and watching videos. A lot of you guys out there don't need this video. You already know that. But believe it or not, like I said, there are countless homeowners out there who have no idea, in a pinch if they have to, how to turn the water off the house if they don't have a valve on the side of it. This little video is just here for you do-it-yourself homeowner, business owner. Spend the money. Go to your local box store, big box store, or local plumbing supply and pick one of these up. It's good to have no matter what. Thanks so much. Until next time, it's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.